I think we can all agree that one of the most annoying things about being a streamer is keeping your chat timers up to date, right? So maybe you have a new social media platform, maybe you've changed your username on a social media platform, or maybe a social media platform even decides to change its domain. What I want to show you guys today is that with a free account and Streamerbot, we can take all or any of your links from your link in bio page and have them set up as a chat timer inside your Streamerbot for your Twitch chat. So yeah, let's just go straight into it. It'll be super quick. So first things first, head over to Doras.to and create an account. Again, it's completely free. There is a paid version. However, what we're doing today does not need the paid version at all. However, if it's something that you're interested in, there's of course going to be an affiliate link as well as a discount code in the description down below. PS, I am the co-founder of Doras, so yes, I'm going to be a little biased here. Just click on get started and then sign up with any of your SSO, or you can just use an email or password, entirely up to you. Once you've created your account, you're going to look at something like this. Future Tom here completely failed to mention that you obviously of course need to actually have links on your link in bio as well. So when you're on your dashboard, click on profile. If you have no blocks, you can simply just click add block, and let's say we want to add a link block here. We literally just drag that in, and then you can give it your title, URL here, as well as say if it's not safe for work or not, and as well choose your icon. Standard link in bio stuff. Okay, back to past Tom. Easy peasy, we just click on promotional tools and then click on the Streamerbot button. We're going to be greeted with a lot of information here on how it all works. We're going to go through it all now though. So once you grab the import string from that section, again, it will also be in the description down below. However, most up-to-date version will always be the one on the website. Just head over to actions, click import, and then paste in that string here. Once that happens, we should basically see this. There's a lot of folders in here, and inside all those folders, there's a lot of different files. Honestly, we don't need to worry about a whole lot of them. The main thing you need to do is over here in the Doras username, you double click on this, and instead of enter value, you need to enter in your Doras username. Mine is Tomerty, so I'm going to enter Tomerty, and then as always a Streamerbot, press save. To make sure that it is working, up here in the triggers, you can just right click on it and click test trigger. And there, as we can go see, it says check out my mouse follower active monitor. And look at that, it's actually one of my Streamerbot things. I didn't even time that. Now, this can be customized as well. If you head over into the Streamerbot and in the Twitch chat message, we can just double click on this right here and we can see it says check out mine and the name of the thing and then just the link. You can fully remove that entirely and just even have it like something like this instead. We can press save on that, and then if we run the test trigger again, it's just gonna have that. If you don't have a name for it, it's just not going to populate with one. So here we can see my tome tracker, which is literally just a daily breakdown and to-do thing that I built for fun. That's honestly literally it. It's super easy. You only need to update all your links and everything like that in one place. It utilizes the Doras public API heavily, and you can even dig into our documentation, which will also be linked down below, and be able to see and expand this on however way you want. If you want to show or hide not safe for work links, or if you want to only show specific links, or if you want to filter out links of different things, absolutely possible. It's all available for you for free. If you aren't using Doras yet, by the way, and you're interested in the pro plan, make sure you use code TOM at checkout and you get yourself 30% off for the first 3 months. Anyway, that's it for me. I'll see you all in the next one. That was cringe.